Hi there. Testing modern cloud applications locally is a common challenge. Emulators and mocked environments often fail to replicate the true behavior of a distributed production cloud, leading to bugs that only appear after deployment. What if you could run a real cloud on your own machine? In this video, we'll explore Taubyte Dream, a powerful tool that lets you simulate a complete Taubyte-based cloud. Taubyte Dream lets you spin up a universe, a complete self-contained Taubyte cloud running entirely on your local machine. This universe is an isolated peer-to-peer network of nodes, each running the actual Taubyte service like gateway, substrate, and auth. This design provides a development environment that closely mirrors working with a live remote cloud infrastructure. It's crucial to understand that Dream provides a simulation, not an emulation. An emulation merely approximates behavior, which can lead to inconsistencies. In contrast, Dream simulation runs the exact same software component that exists in a live deployment. The services communicate using the same protocols and follow the same logic. The only difference is the scale, not the substance. What you build and test in Dream will behave exactly as it would in a full-scale cloud. The primary benefit of this approach is achieving true dev-prod parity. With Dream, the code and configuration you test locally can be deployed to a production cloud with zero changes. There are no translation layers or environment-specific surprises, allowing you to catch issues early in the development cycle. Let's walk through how to spin up your own local cloud. First, you'll need Node.js installed on your machine. Then run the following command in your terminal. This makes the Dream command available globally for npm. Next, create your cloud network. You've just initialized a personal cloud on your machine. To see all the running components of your universe, use this to show every service that makes up your cloud, functioning just as they would in production. You can also inspect your local cloud visually. Open console.taubyte.com, click the Dreamland button after launching a Dream instance, then navigate to Sidebar, Network, then Black Hole. So that you can add real code and test Taubyte functionalities, go to console.taubyte.com, enter your email, select the network as Black Hole, then click Login with GitHub. From here, you can create projects, define functions, and manage your applications, all interacting with the cloud running on your machine. Let's import a project. If we check functions, I have a pre-made one here. Let's click the lightning button to run it. And there it is, the function is working as it would in a real cloud with Taubyte installed. Make sure to visit the documentation at tau.how to read more and join our server in the description if you have any other questions.